tools like Snipping Tool are often needed in daily business. This little application is one of Windows' built-in programs, starting from Vista. You can find it in Windows 7, 8 and 10. The Snipping Tool is used to take screenshots and capture screen parts. This is the Snipping Tool icon, with scissors. Now, here is the notification about Snip and Sketch, an application that will replace the existing one. It is available for download. The Snipping Tool is a very simple program. It has very few options. You can turn off or on instruction text. There is a useful option for automatically copy the snipped area. There are 4 modes for capturing: freeform, rectangular, window, and full screen. Rectangular is set as default. Also, you can set a delay for taking the screenshot. Start rectangular capture with pressing U. After releasing a mouse button, capture is taken and shown in Snipping Tool window. Now we have a few more options for editing taken capture, like a pen. You can set a custom pen. The second tool is the highlighter. It is very useful for text highlighting. Other options: you can send your capture direct to an email recipient. This option will open your default email program. This is a copy option, although we can use auto copy to clipboard option. We can paste it to any application. Also, we can save it as one of the offered image formats. We will try Windows mode. The chosen window is marked with a red border. You see, it took the capture of the toolbar. Capturing Google Chrome. Perfect. It was very quick. The freeform screenshot also working great. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to our channel.